natin sa downtown Sioux Falls. Ayan. Alright, ayan o. Tahimik ngayon ang panahon.
Turn right onto North Dakota Avenue.
North Dakota. Alright. Ayan.
800 feet, your destination will be on that.
Ayun o.
Hey, you're still here.
Right. Andito sila. Mr. Sue! Mr. Sue! Oh, do you have the number? I have no number.
Destination is on the left.
Okay.
Here we are. Here we are.
Pati na naman. Ma? No. Reklamo naman sila.
Oh.
Kakain lang namin, nagreklamo. Utot na naman ang...
When I get old, that's gonna get a bike. Bike drive.
Alright.
Bike club na ko, bike club. Bike club.
What?
And so
Right, dito tayo ngayon sa
Yes, baby.
Falls Park.
Huh?
Alright.
What do you want?
Ooh, they have a steel sheet.
Yeah, welcome to
Right.
Falls Park.
Yan o. Tayo ngayon sa South Sioux Falls. Welcome to Falls Park.
Market beat. Beat.
Alright. Wala akong videographer. Yung videographer ko, baka maya.
So much.
Ayan.
Kakaya mo. Bago mag-video na naman.
Basi kung hap-hap na lang ang kuwas ni Kron. Right.
Mary Mountains.
Right. Ayan o. Ang luwag-luwag ng sakyan nila, kaya mabilis pala ang takbo nila eh. Walang
Si Cesar na siya. Pa o si Nestor.
Nestor na.
Gimpasok ang hila nga gamit sa truck.
Yeah, lahat-lahat.
Gimpasok nila.
Alright.
Ikaw kay ayaw mo man.
Wala man tapos pa man.
No,
Relax lang pagbalik
Okay.
pa. Okay, nandito na tayo. Nandito tayo sa Sioux Falls.
And so much more.
mag-rest area lang daw tayo mamaya. Then,
Okay.
okay,
Again?
kahit saan, basta nakaligo na tayo kanina. Yeah. It's okay.
Looks so different.
No alcohol permitted. Right. Ang problema dito parking. Kaya ba tukin-tukin
Yun
na.
ang falls pa.
Ha? Basta di nanda. Right. Tayo ngayon, oh. Gala muna. It's Saturday night. Saturday. Saturday pa lang. So, nature mo tayo. Ayan. Ha? For what? What's your thing? I don't know what your... Oh, that's the falls. We can park here.
Where's the falls pa?
Oh, there.
There. The little falls.
Oh, ando may lilim.
Sure ba tayo dyan pa?
Ano, bawal masigod dire kuya.
At lang. Baka di JB.
Yeah. I'm hungry.
Always saying, I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Okay.
Of course.
Ah. That's it?
Yo, free Gatorade.
Oh, doon pala maganda oh. Doon maganda.
Ano pa?
Doon maganda siguro magpa-picture oh.
Ah. Teka lang, malapit na. Picture tayo dalawa, pero na agad dyan. Dali.
I know you don't like it. Alright. Ha? Wala, nag-video lang kami.
Video lang, dali.
Hindi, picture na kami. Face the reality. Just the reality. Ayan oh, tingnan mo yung rock formation. Yeah. Ang ganda ng bato. Here. Yeah. Yan. Nice. Oh, parang Grand Canyon ah.
Yeah.
She told you here. It's nice.
Oh, yung parang pinuntahan nila pa. That's nice.
Where? Oh, the other side is nice. There.
Picture ka.
Alright, ayan na ang mga team Lagawan. Ayan o. Yun. Team Lagawan. Alright, parakada na naman ang team Lagawan. Ayan o, team Lagawan.
With the edition.
Kung saan naman kami pupunta nito mamaya. Kung saan maabutan ng gabi. Member ng
Maton.
Maton.
Maton Ogan.
Matonugan. Yan ang sinasabi ni Madam.
Oo.
Okay na. Alright.
Mga resibo.
Alright. Ayan o. Ano na yan? Smithfield. Pagkabuti bakal yan na eh. 20 lang. Right. Dali bro, kay may convoy kami bro. Alright.
Sige sa pangalan niya, Michael dito.